G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is February 17, 2023. This is the natural gas price update. As you can see here, since our last update on this vertical line, the price is still stuck on this support area and snail trailing along very slowly. The Stochastic and the CCI are still declining, and that's on the daily, and on the 4-hourly, the Stochastic is still making the CCI is still making some downside momentum. And if you look at the CCI itself compared to the moving average, it's potentially curving down as well. But if you look at the Stochastic, it's making some potential retrace to the upside potentially. On the hourly chart, we did say some time ago there was this divergence on the CCI versus the price chart, and it has actually stabilized and stuck there. Now, for this to fail, we need to see the CCI break down from this moving average to the downside, and the moving average turn into a more shorting momentum, and then also we need to see this price break down through this key support area on all time frames before going short in a longer term or medium to longer term. There's no real sign of a retracement to the upside and a bullish movement at this point, at least not a major one. And as soon as we see that, we'll flag it. But at the moment, it's looking like just holding steady. If you haven't entered this trade yet, just probably hold off. No real signs of long entries, and potentially, if anything, it'll be probably more downside to come. So again, we need to see it to go long. We need to see it break above this moving average on the 4-hourly, the CCI, and then especially we need to see it advance towards this moving average on the daily as well to be more confident about going long anytime. To understand how to properly trade using average down approach, reference the playlist at the end of the video, and also some links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends. If the stock price goes against you, don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long, so that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.